Hello everyone, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discuss about the static API with Flask. Lot of programmer and most probably cannot know uh, how much work API. Python is very powerful language and simple creating one algorithm with Flask and get static API. So let's start. First of all, you can install Flask library. Flask framework of the web developing side. So you can create test data. Then you can see the one list of direct dictionary. You can see it. ID, name, ID, name, and as you want, what you want, you publish your payload. So then you mention the get function simply what you want to get. So simple prototype Pyresearch API. So I will mention this name in header. So then you can return all categories, all list of a dictionary. Name is book. So return the all function. So we can start our algorithm in terminal. Open your terminal, window terminal, yeah, or Linux Mac terminal. You can mention your Python here. You can see it 3.8 version. Python file name is api.py. Just run and you get one locally URL. So you can go to the Chrome. Just hit the. You can see the Pyresearch simple prototype Pyresearch API. You can mention the API path. I will copy it. So paste here. You can see result. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates. Any confusion you comment down.